Bonfire Cross, say, on Tiasia say Ibrahim Mahama, Akwakoto private jet, and T Wababe Kabi. Na afutuo akọ e dia mano who afutuo ni afutuo bi a 7 previous ano e hye papa saa asem we nka Bonfire Cross ameka bi kura nka menti ase because wo social media wo mu eye propaganda fo MPP no Okatakyie Afrifa na eye wo president. He sat on TV and said now wo mu your political jandam nti jandam ne de almost started yache. Now according to Okatakyie Afrifa, no was President Mahama ba power first. And Ibrahim Mahama ekokoto private jet. President Mahama samba power second time. Ama Ibrahim Mahama sanya sika akwakoto private jet. Enti ne wo question nyina ne wo kan kwesi nyina ne say Ibrahim Mahama nya sika no wo hin. And otoye abra ne brother ye president. Me no we go just technically President Mahama na tam Ghana sika dia mani nua so nkoto private jet. Ehunsam manya. Moma yentie Okatakyie Afrifa nsem ye wi afutuo akọ e dia mano ye behwe.
Yes, President nua akọ akoto de ben de fa he kusi he. De no ye twa se Okatakyie ni ba beka bi. Ni aba betwi adapa. Enso asem me jaka nyeyi. President nua ya na Mahama ban first one. It was about first one about 2013. One free so now wagu UMB. The company 40s Mobakaya UMB. No a Universal Merchant Bank. I'm a Universal Merchant Bank at that time was insolvent. And then I'm 40s for BBG. All of a sudden, ye Timmy and Jessica 70 million quarter private jet. Ye could come out for his own eye jealous in a fire. Hey! President New na the company no wo ye ne ade time adwo mama e ba be free so no wa ma checks buru be miensa na ya wo de ko bank na adwira guo ye tua kura na nyi enso wo ne ho akoka e be ka say dibre manfo no kura ntiase manfo ye ntinyoma na ekoso na se e ti ye ji o musika no a ye disika ni di na ya peka kra bi de agirigiri ba bi ne de amu wo je 10,000 wo je fire say eh wo ya philanthropist wo ya de pa momo nsema no na boye se ma sabre su ni etu omu gold e wo eye black voter ye tu gold no wa no accountability enti nua no se gabi o kire da ko na je ayi Omadi and your friends say, you gold mines in the free, a yidma one home, and the Akufo Addo and Ghana for one between Yas and Ketua. Yet to go my president in the company. Well, my year in Crawford, gold mines a free monsa near boy and some more. Near boy and some more. Is a president in Yano any celebrities near the end free near. Happy yet. And yet. Okumu omukura no mwanga sasa nipa no okumu no asa no beko.
So this is Okatakyie Afrifa. Now mu adanya na mu de Gabi compare Ibrahim Mahama. Why what is mu problem here there? Na mu de Gabi compare Ibrahim Mahama. Ma bisa mu se mu kire ye adwuma ben na Gabi o kire da ho ye. Gabi adwuma ye there. Munya answer me you and ram bisa mo sa question no sa question am bisa munya mami answer wo me say MPP nibi should come out boldly and tell us adwuma Gabi o kire da ho ye na Gabi o kire da ko ya adwuma ben before MPP beba power Jankroma Akufo Addo o ya adwuma ben e na ne papa ma no contract wo be say kan say mo Edwina Akufo Addo wabie $6 million restaurant wo cantonments in Sumunam. Wunni 500 cedis kwa wuntimi didi wo. Obi monthly salary kura 500 cedis so. Ye didi wo Sumunam. Edwina Akufo Addo munchire ya adwuma waye a wanya $6 million abi restaurant wo in a capital city. Adwuma be na waye da. Mumbe chire ya adwuma Gabi o chire da kwa ya ode abie na sase radios bebrebe no adwuma be na Gabi ye at least Ibrahim Mahama de no mining company no Jata cement company Ghana for obia beside Ibrahim Mahama say oya adwuma benya Ibrahim Mahama be kan adwuma Ghana ha obia bisa wo hia obia bisa say Ibrahim Mahama ye adwuma benya everybody can tell you adwuma yo be abeka say jata cement ne dia and then yeshia akwada bisa nzo nim Gabi otida akodo ka say and bisa say Gabi ya adwuma be ya nipa dem timi kan. All that he can say is so Gabi was a de facto prime minister and Akufo Addo assign. Nobody can tell us adwuma Gabi otida kun ye Gabi na adwuma e de. And so Gabi is one of the most wealthiest politicians in Ghana. Gabi ya adwuma be. MPP baba power na enim say na Gabi tie. Before MPP baba power na Gabi wa London na Gabi ni Ghana. Eka kakramo election aba so no. Ebe do election na Gabi afri London aba. Kakra na mo de benya atumi. Na yenim Gabi o chire da akon before mo benya atumi o. Until before election na Gabi ya adwuma be. Before 2016 election na MPP widi ye na Gabi o chire da akon na oye adwuma ben. Na adwuma ben na Gabi ye in 2016. At mama na acquire our properties no. Ono a obia ntimi mbo na adwuma mpo. Wa bia radio stations are found Croford Tiano ye ntimi misa questions. Na obia wo mining company wo jata cement company. Me say any for mama hamu who explaining they can do their worst. Tie ni obi kan your friend people ko kudane o say a private jet is not like a royal motorbike parked at car price for buyers to just walk in and choose one and fly home. One places an order, its specifications and customizations before manufactured and delivered. And you are saying, private jet and you say, oh sorry ya, no one say, esi what to say, royal motorbike aya park it. Ah yeah, tom dabi. Wouldn't me nyan nanti ngonko chusu bako. And fly Murphy Dabi, ube place an order. And they say you pese no manufacture man. Because Jata Dina Yatra was on a design. No? Ibrahim Mahama na mo design is man and our triaka. Into a place order. And on would debate 2 years, 1.5 years, a year man and our koji. Ibrahim Mahama placed an order to buy his new private jet, a Bombardier Global 6,500 in 2024 when Akufo Addo was the president of Ghana. The jet was delivered in February 2026 when his brother John Dramani Mahama is the president and is reportedly valued around 70 million. The Ibrahim Mahama is so placing order for the new private jet in 2024 now Akufo Addo to power. And a manufacturing in starting year and on Mwabe we deliver February 2026 last month. Amana bedruna saying make 70 million. So for the records and his empty-headed MPP people, I basically say Akufo Addo in 2024 gave state money to Ibrahim Mahama to buy himself a private jet. School MP Pa Jime and Pa. This is what Daniel wrote. This is where we are. Young penokre. When you have to now where a lot of people are. Before MPP beba power, no mu hindan. No mu nishi. I'm not saying say hindan boni mi kra meti rent. I'm not saying say hindan boni, but in their issue no, and I'm here there. Me chire mu ama mu ate ase. Before MPP beba power, no mu hindan, no mu nishi wo mu hu. Edru rent kra no mu no mu fie wura no mu kontokwa. For what time on no opposition? MPP back power less than a year. Some crofona no behind that is no. Not on to cast. Assisi fee, not 2, not 3. Not less than 4. It is a meeting. Obianim said a meeting na and this about power and I pray Kwama who say me will fee bear 3. Me will car me them. All of a sudden my change. Bibia sasa kade no beka ka commentary ben and some of you watching me now come be mo be make it but yet na krom ha e ma nkrofo bi o munye adwuma bia da wo mu life mo under the MPP be ye Sankrofo yentimi kwashi omu na obi a wa start ne jata cement even before Akufo time nyina ba pemene saa nipa no kɔtɔ ade a ye kwashi so onyaska wan. The same people were on TV defending Sicily Adapa and they almost all monti asie. Se mutim be kire ya adwuma aga be o kire da kon ye mu be kire adwuma dankroma ye mu be kire adwuma Edwin Akufo Addo ye onyaska koi tonso mu nama ekosi so mu nam restaurant ye be kire mu be bia Ibrahim Mahama nya aska koto jet nti ye give and take mu fa mbra na mfa mamu quick